welcome back to my channel. If things look a little, I don't know, crazy, I am working on lighting. I got some new lights and everything, so if it looks crazy, I'm still trying to get things together, but I don't know. Let me know what y'all think about this setup. But anyway, we're gonna get right into it. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this company. It's called Dsoar. I'm gonna say Dsoar hair. So this is what the box looks like. I can't remember who shipped it, but anyway, this is what the box looks like, and we're gonna open it up. Okay, so in here it's just information on exactly what I got. So it says that I have the Brazilian natural wave, and I have the inches 18, 18, 20 with a 18 lace closure, and it is a middle part. Y'all know I love the middle part lace closures because I like middle parts anyway. It's just I prefer them, and whenever I get a closure or so, I just ask that they send it with the middle part, so I won't have to be struggling trying to get the part straight. So it does come with the closure. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Comes in a protective bag. Okay, we like that. It's not just thrown in the bag, and also a net does come around it. Now this is the natural wave. Hopefully I don't say water wave in this video because I made that mistake before, but this is the natural wave. So I'm just gonna take the net off. I'm taking it off the wrong way. Alright, so this is what the hair looks like. Alright, that's the tip, and I'm just gonna run my fingers through it and let y'all see. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty. So okay, it doesn't have a smell to it or anything, nothing too crazy. That is the parting space that comes with it. Now you can go further down with this parting space, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to part it further down just to make it look a little more natural. All right, but if you want a small part like that, then that would be fine. But this is the wave that you are going to get right there. So that's what the wave looks like. All right, so let me give y'all a up close look. It does have that protective barrier on there. You always want to make sure it does. A few companies don't, but that's good because when you're sewing and like kind of tugging on it, it will ensure that the lace will not rip. So that's good that that protective barrier is on there. All right, now let's look at these bundles. Oh, they did send a gift. Okay, I know these upside down, but the writing is that way, and then the lashes are this way. So this is what the lashes look like, and it says these are mink lashes, 100% mink lashes. And I love lashes. Normally when I get lashes in a hair box, I'm not gonna lie, I do not use them, but these are pretty cool. Let me show y'all. Take that part off, and this is what the lashes look like. Okay, they are really nice, so I like those. Okay, and I would definitely wear them. All right, so let's go ahead and hop right into these bundles. So I got two 18-inch bundles, and I got a 20-inch bundle. So let's see. Let's open it up. See what we got. All right. So this is what the hair looks like, just straight out of the bag. Of course, it has like that little curl, a little wave to it, and this is what it looks like right here. And the more you do it, it kind of crinkles back up, as you all can see what it is doing. So that's what the hair looks like. That's the tips of it and everything. This is the web. This is a lot of hair. I'm just telling you now, like, look at my fist, okay? This is my regular fist, and look at this hair. That is a lot of hair. So yeah, it comes with a little card. It just says, has their company name and website on it. But this is a lot of hair, and it's very thick. No smell, as y'all can see. As I'm unraveling the curls, you may see a little pulling, but that's normal, just because you're unraveling the curls and everything. It's nothing like continuous. I'm not getting a lot of shedding or anything right now, which of course I shouldn't get shedding. This is fresh out of the box. So that's what that one looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and just open the other 18 also, so you can see how it looks. They look the same. Get up. Alright. So this is what it looks like. This is straight out the bag. And let me show y'all the other one. And this is already kind of like not manipulated, but I just ran my fingers through it. Okay, so that's what it's gonna look like after you run your fingers through it. So these are the two bundles, and they're both 18 inches. Has a really nice curl, and these are the wefts. Okay, and these are both 18 inches. It looks like this one has a little bit more in it, but yeah, those are the wefts. Wefts look good, beards look good, nothing too crazy. You don't have a lot of crazy flyaways going everywhere. All right, so let's open up the 20-inch. So this is the 20-inch bundle. It's a little bit longer, okay? This is where the 20-inch falls on me, and if it's stretched out, it comes a bit longer on me, and I am 5'7", so this is the 20-inch falls. If you want it to be a little longer, you can always put it like at the very nape of your neck. It will give you a little bit more length. I tell a lot of people that if you order a certain length and you want it to be a tad bit longer to give you some length. So this is the 20-inch. This is all I'm gonna do. Just unravel the curls like this. All right, so that is what it looks like. All right, nice wave pattern. It's really, really nice. I like that. So just what it looks like right there. Real nice. And this is the weft. So it is a lot of weft. It is a lot of weft on here. So if you like kind of like big hair, seem like if you manipulate this right, it could be big. So this is all the hair. I didn't unravel this bundle, but that's what it looks like right there. And that looks like it's gonna be a lot of hair. Let me unravel this one. Okay, yeah. That's gonna be a lot of hair. I don't know if I'm gonna use it all because these are the 3 bundles. That's a lot. So like I said, I don't know if it's all gonna get used. I'm going to try to put as much in my head as I can. I'm thinking like a pretty summery like bob. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I have in my mind. Something like that, like a bob look. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking with this hair. But I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, y'all, to wrap it up, this company is called Dsoar. I really hope I'm pronouncing it right. Let me get the box. All right. So this company is called Dsoar Hair. This is their website right here. I also have their links down below. Be sure to check them out. Their prices are pretty affordable, and as you see, seems like you'll get a bang for your buck. Because it's a lot of weft that comes in it. The hair is very thick. The hair is full, okay? But I will be back to you all to let you know how the hair reacts to me, you know, putting products in it and styling it and all that good stuff. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. I'll see y'all next video.